Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can hide your photo and send this hidden photo like another photo, and when your sender will save photo you send to him to gallery, he can also decrypt this photo and see real photo you sent to him with some program. So I will show you what program you need and he needs to use for sending this image and for taking it and decrypting and see real image you send. So you just need this program. So just go to App Store and just open search tab, and in search tab just write CAMML. Here you can see it. So this application also is enabled to Android and iPhone. So you can also download it from App Store and from Android and for Android from Google Play. So you can just see in info and in description how it works, more detailed information. So I will only tell you some general information. So just click Get to install it to your phone, and also with this application you can send photos and just hiding them like another photos. So you can see here how it works and how you can send them and decrypt for original. So just install it to your mobile phone. Just wait until it will install, and here you can see open. Just click on open. Okay. And also here you can also open your gallery, choose some photo and decrypt it like another hide for sender. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.